Have you ever wondered how to navigate in nature using a map and compass? Today, we'll unravel the mystery of these essential tools, making the wild world less daunting and more accessible. Firstly, a topographic map, a hiker's best friend. This piece of paper provides a detailed representation of the natural and artificial features of an area. Start by learning to read the symbols and legend, which will give you insights into the landscape and its characteristics. Pay attention to contour lines, which are the map's way of showing changes in terrain elevation. The closer these lines are, the steeper the terrain. Identify notable landmarks, such as mountain peaks, rivers, or lakes. And don't forget to check the map's edges for coordinates and scale. Crucial information for calculating distances. Now, let's talk about the compass, your orientation tool. To use it correctly, hold the compass flat so the needle points north. This is your baseline. To set a direction, rotate the compass so the needle aligns with the north line on the bezel. Choose a visible landmark in your desired direction and walk towards it, using the compass to keep you on track. Remember to check your compass regularly to maintain your bearing. But the real magic happens when you use the map and compass together. Start by identifying your position on the map using the landmarks around you. Then use your compass to determine the direction towards your destination or the next landmark. As you move, keep track of your progress on the map and adjust your direction as needed. Repeat this process until you reach your destination. In summary, understanding how to use a map and compass can turn a daunting wilderness into a playground. Start by understanding the map, symbols, legends, contour lines, landmarks, and coordinates. Then, master the compass. Find north, set a direction, choose a landmark, and keep checking your direction. Finally, bring the two together. Identify your position, set your direction, track your progress, and adjust as needed. With these skills, the world truly becomes your oyster. Enjoy the journey.